Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? So, yesterday we charted the blue lines and we made a prediction, not prediction, but more like a probability of what the grass could do. So let's see how we did. So let's go to 50-minute time frame. And by the way, I didn't touch anything of this. You can check previous video and you're gonna see, that what we drew. But look at this. I mean, absolutely perfection. Like we said, we went up, we retested this stuff. I said in the previous video, this is going to be a very big resistance and, we might see a rejection. And so what we did, we went up, boom, and then we went back down. Look at this. I mean, perfection to this zone right here, and then we shot over. So we're just going to delete this one. Boom, we're going to leave this one here just for the sake of the video. But look at this. I mean, the price, just like we said, we did under over, which we talked about yesterday. Boom. So this is under over that we talked about, and then we kind of consolidated and we went back up, right? So this is the perfect example, like I said yesterday, of an under over. Right now, yeah. So let's see. So we had this trend line right here. We kind of blew away. We went up. We kind of retested it, not really, but we kind of went up here. We got some rejection at this point. Like I said, this will be the next point of control because this is where liquidity is going to be. So look at this. I mean, just look at this perfection. Of course, I didn't put this one exactly the same, but essentially, we hit this, went back down, and then, we shot up to the red zone, which I said is going to be liquidity zone and a lot of liquidations up here. So the price is just moving phenomenally. I mean, it's like I'm saying Bitcoin, because usually with small cap coins, they tend to move not by trading analysis, but the grass is actually respecting everything so nice. I mean, look, this was the high. So this was the high. So we kind of breached the high. We made a new higher high, but we just went for a liquidity grab. So this is what you call a liquidity grab. So just something that you can think of. Right here, we had first liquidity grab for the highs. For these kind of highs. I don't think this is the all-time highs, but let's not, or is it? Wait, let me check. 4 hours. Oh yeah, we just have the, oh yeah, actually it's all-time high, you see? Yeah, we got all-time. No, we don't have all the time, but never mind, we're not gonna check pre-market. So let's go back and we should look at this. You see, this is a liquidity grab. We wanted to go up and then retail started buying here and the big guys started selling, which means the price is gonna get low. So there's longs trapped here and they went back up. People started buying again. Boom, reverse to the downside, right? So this is what happened right here. Right here, you see? People went long here, boom, 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 boom. They thought we were gonna go to like 2 or something. And look at this, liquidity grab, retail started buying, boom to the downside. And we breached down hard, right? So, yeah, and then, we kind of went to this zone, whatever. We had another liquidity grab in the bottom because people thought, oh yeah, now we're going to zero. And retail started shorting this. And, if you're not a good trader, you would probably buy here. And you would start selling here and then the price goes up and then you're literally effed, right? So yeah, the price was just moving by the principles, and I mean, it's just, this grass could be amazing to trade. I mean, we've seen in the past few days that has been respecting every single line that we had. Yeah, so let's see how we're gonna go forwards. We're just gonna delete this blue line, this one, and see what we can get out of this new graph. So okay, as I said, we're gonna do another channel. So a channel is building right here. We can do this. This was liquidity grab up here. We went down, and then we got another one where, so essentially we can do this, but I don't like this. I think this one is going to be much better. Yeah, you see, because the liquidity grabs, right? The liquidity grabs are usually the most fake things in crypto. So you kind of have to chart wicks and see where the price is actually going. So right now we're in this pattern, upwards pattern. I don't know what they're called. I just like to say patterns, right? So this was an uptrending pattern, and now as we could see, the price is respecting this line very, very, very much, right? So what would be the next point? Right, so let's go to 5 minutes. Let's go even lower to see where we go. So here we had a liquidity grab, we went back up, right? Which means this was just a fake out. this is what we call a fake out. You know, we have, you know, I think if we go to like 1 hour or 30 minutes, you're gonna see that, oh yeah, never mind, we got a close below here. Yeah, this is a clear fake out, but that does not matter. So look, we're going down, right? We broke again here, but it was respected one time, you know, 2 times, 3 times, and then here, you know, multiple times. So now we can wait and see if this is gonna hold. If this is gonna hold, then potentially we're gonna do something like this, and we're gonna go back to this zone and then retest. And then if we're gonna go up here, that means the price is strong enough and we might breach, you know, the new higher high. So yeah, this is just something to consider. But you know, when we look at coins, it's always great to check Bitcoin as well to see how it's doing compared to the coin. Yeah, so Bitcoin went down like, you know, 3% in the past 7 hours. If we look grass, what has grass done? So we said 7 hours. Exactly, boom, went down as well, right? So it's kind of respecting Bitcoin, but it's still in its own territory. So yeah, I think grass is, I mean, it's looking okay. It's still in uptrend. You know, what we can do is drew one line here, so we're still in uptrend. As long as we don't break, I would say, this zone right here. So essentially, no, never mind, that was wrong. Essentially, this is gonna be, oh, give me the circle. This, oh my god, what the fuck? So this right here is gonna be very good support, and we need to take care. If we breach down again, then this is gonna be a strong support for us, because it's gonna be, you know, co-sanctioned, or I don't know how I call that. It's gonna be, you know, same with this one, so it's gonna be kind of triggered in a next right here. So we're gonna have upwards trending slope line, and we got a whole point, which, you know, there's a lot of sell limit buys right here. So yeah, we just kind of have to wait and see how the price is gonna go. But essentially, it's currently in this pattern. Now we have to see if it breaks down. You know, we might go here, consolidate, maybe we go up. If that doesn't work, you know, we can go here, consolidate, boom, and then we can go to the next point, which would essentially be right here. So, you know, this would be a next buy zone, I would say, for grass, if you're looking to buy some longs. Or either, you know, we can wait and see how it does. But I think I see, is there a bearish divergence? Let's see. So it's not a bearish divergence, okay, or is it? Let's check. So bearish divergence, we usually check on here. So we got higher, you know, higher highs right here, and we check MACD, which is lower highs, which means it's bearish divergence. So usually bearish divergences play like this. So the money gets down, which means the volume is getting lower while the price is getting higher. And when that happens, we start to go down. And as you can see right here, we breached, bam, down. So we could say, okay, the bearish divergence actually played out. So yeah, now we just have to wait. We don't really have much to trend. We're trending right here. We have to wait to see, you know, if it's gonna breach. If it's gonna breach this, and then we got, you know, a few actions right here if it's gonna go down. If not, we might get to this point, maybe get a one more fake out down, and then you can kind of consolidate, and we try to breach the new higher high. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it. Well, let me do, what we can do is, look, you know what, this is not very predictable right here, so we're just gonna sit and wait. But essentially, you could do one. Give me the one. You could do limit buys right here and limit sells right here. But you know, right now the price is looking very bullish. I know we did a bearish divergence, but we're still trending up. So I would, you know, essentially wait to see what price does and then move from there. If we go up, we don't breach it, and you see a continuation down, then, you know, we could essentially put a sell buy here. If not, you can have another limit buy right here. But yeah, that's about it. We don't have anything much to say. The price is looking phenomenal. I think it's doing wonders. And yeah, we're gonna see what's gonna happen, you know, tomorrow. So, oh, look at this. And it's got the green candle as well. So it's respecting. So we might see another push to the upwards, which would be essentially the next zone. You know, we know there's liquidity up here, but we have the higher high right here. So what we would do, we would put this one right here, because no, this one right here, Yeah, I don't like this one. I'm gonna put this one right here. This one I'm gonna chart it like white. So this would be the next zone that, you know, we could essentially go towards. Right here, if we go up, this is where we're gonna go. And if we bridge this, we're gonna go higher, retest, and then we're gonna start moving upwards. And that's about it. We're still moving in the channel. So the next channel, if we still go up, I mean, we could essentially see this. So 122% move. And then the next liquidation zone would come in play, which is the new all-time high for, you know, this zone. But yeah, that's about it. That's it. We're gonna see how the grass is gonna move, and yeah. So yeah, you know, that's about it. If you have any more questions about grass or any other tokens that you want me to do trading analysis on, I will happily do it. And yeah, thank you very much and have a blessed evening.